and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how I did this gorgeous Easter mini egg cheesecake. It looks absolutely delicious. As you can see, I've got some chocolate sprinkled on it, I've got some whipped cream and mini eggs in there, and I've got a biscuit base, and yeah, I just can't wait to dip into this because it looks absolutely delicious. This was my first time making this cheesecake, but it was so easy, and I'm sure if I can do it, anyone can do it. So I hope that I've captured everything for you, and if you make it, then please do let me know. I'm so impressed with it, and I just can't wait to eat it. So I went for some whipped cream with some mini eggs dipped in them, and then obviously got some chocolate sprinkled over as well. You don't have to do this look. This is just the one I went for because I loved it. It's not dead neat, but I don't care because I like it when it's quite messy, and yeah, I think it just looks delicious. Funny hair today. I think I look like, can I get away thinking that I look about 15 again? Anyway, so I left this in the fridge overnight. You don't need to do that. If you haven't got long enough, then you can just pop it in the fridge for about 4 hours or the freezer for about 2 hours. I left mine overnight just because I had time, so I can just decorate it again today. I would recommend using this loose bottom pan so that then you can just kind of clip it and the cheesecake will just slide out. This is quite a big pan. You don't have to have one this size. I'm just used to making massive cheesecakes, but obviously if you don't want one this big, then just use a smaller tin. So what I'm going to do now is decorate it, which is the fun bit. again, you don't have to copy me with the decorations, but I'm just going to melt some milk chocolate and drizzle it over, and then I've got some whipped cream to kind of put some cream around it and pop the mini eggs on there. I have left this like here, I'll just show you. It's not dead smooth, if you can see. The reason I've left this in, I wanted to show you that, is because everything doesn't always go to plan. I know what I did. I left that for too long before I spread it onto the biscuit. So you kind of want to do it straight away, because then it will slide on and it will give you that dead smooth finish. But you know what, it's fine. I'm going to drizzle it over with chocolate anyway. But yeah, that's just the one thing that I would say about this. Make sure you put it on straight away so that you get that dead smooth cheesecake finish. So yeah, I'm going to pop it on. As you can tell, I filmed this over 2 days. So yesterday I did the baking part, which is why you didn't see my face in any of that, because I had a no makeup day. And then today I'm going to show you how to decorate it, so I'm going to be in this part. Yeah, so I'm just going to slide it out now and let's get to decorating. I've just popped mine in the fridge. If you haven't got time to pop it in the fridge because the whipped cream will melt, then please do use something else. There's lots of other options. You can use cream cheese or icing. There's absolutely loads of stuff that you can use that will keep it for a bit longer. So mine's in the fridge now and it's fine. It's keeping it cool, so it's fine. But like I said, if you haven't got time, then yeah, just use something else, an alternative instead. And there you have your Easter cheesecake. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Just really I think the squiggly messy lines look really cool. Yeah, really happy with this. I can't wait to taste them. And thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon.